Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Adana Umairah binti Abdul Rahman. My team members are Nur Zahira Batrisha binti Syahri and Aisyah Syafa binti Muhammad Firdaus. We are from Sekolah Kebangsaan Kayam Perlis. Today, I would like to present our new product, which is simple air conditioner. Air conditioner is no longer just an accessory to the daily life, but a necessity in countries that are constantly hot all day long. However, air conditioner is expensive and consumes a lot of electricity, resulting to high utilities uses. Thus, it is not a option to everyone, as not everyone is born with a silver spoon in their mouth. Moreover, as it poses a threat to the environment, environmentally conscious people tend to not opt for this option. This is where the simple air conditioner comes in the picture. This invention is to cater those of low-income family and environmentally conscious people. It also provides users conditions we are harming the environment, as it does not use chlorofluorocarbon, CFC. As we all know, chlorofluorocarbon can contribute to the depletion of the ozone layer. Indeed, simple air conditioner provide cool air with low electricity uses, and it is easy to purchase. How it works? We use polystyrene ball and fill it with ice. The fan that is connected to the ball is then turned on. It results the cool air from the ice to travel up from the funnel attached to the ball, therefore by the cool air to cool the surrounding. In conclusion, simple air conditioner is a must-need product for people to provide comfort in their daily life. Well, that's all for me. Thank you.
Now we are going to show how to use this simple air conditioner. Okay. Three.
Now the temperature is 27.2 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature dropped to 26.4 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature dropped to 24.3 degrees Celsius. That's all from today. Thank you. Bye-bye.